This week's video is purely BMX riding, trials bike riding, and the shows and basically what we do to make money. We go around the country, even other countries, performing shows on this sort of rig, and today we're in Scarborough. Well, it's probably about 8 o'clock in the morning now. We're first ones here. We just got to get set up and ready, then we're going to kick today's shows off, and then tomorrow we're heading to Silverstone and we'll be at JAP FEST, so let's get set up. So we're all set up now. We've got the trials rig, the jump box, a few height poles and everything now. And then we're going to start the first show at 12. So basically what we're going to do, we're going to grab as many clips as possible of the shows or in between shows, because we don't have a filmer today. We're just like self-filming each other. Here's Rob. This is the Extreme Mountain Bike Show, even though it's BMX and trials bike. We do have a new logo. The actual ramp show is going to be called Ramped Up. And this is basically what we do. We bring the ramp round pretty much on anything, any sort of terrain. And as you can see from the clips we're getting, this is the sort of stuff that we're doing. Insert more clips now. So, as you know, Danny runs carbon handlebars. As he landed, that's what happened. His bars are absolutely crumpled, causing him to land on Rob, smash his wrist to the floor, and having Rob finish off the show. Oh my God, that's how he landed on him. Oh. But we carried on the show because that's how we do. And then I broke a brake cable, so I've got to go and find a brake cable now. So let's go for a little ride and find the cable. We're having to go to a cycle shop now because I've snapped my brake cable and I can't ride the shows without a brake. Well, I can't ride my bike without a brake, so let's get to this cycle shop. Gear cable bought, now back to shows. So guys, we're gonna pack up after this last show. Excuse this part of the video if we haven't got many riding clips, but tomorrow we will get so many riding clips. So let's fast forward to Silverstone. Welcome to Silverstone. Problem number one, Joe's tightened his wheel and he's managed to snap the bolt which holds his wheel on. he's not carrying a spare bolt round, so he's gone off to Halfords to try and find a new bolt. In the meantime, me and Danny are doing shows, but it looks like it's a slow starter. There's thousands of people over there, as I saw from when I flown the drone up. They're just not coming over here. But I think we're in a fairly bad location. We're like right behind the stands. I don't know how many people know we're actually here, but we've got us, Kangaroo Kid, who does some crazy stuff on a quad bike. It's got a ramp set up here, which he's gonna come in and eventually do some shows on. But we don't really want to start doing shows when there's no one here. Let's wait for a crowd. Hopefully Joe can get a bolt by the time we've got a crowd going. Trust me, this guy is not safe. He's not safe. Check him out on YouTube. Kangaroo Kid Crash.
How do you? Let's pull orders up. Yeah, that was awesome.
That was it. End of this week's video. Unfortunately, here we've been put behind all the stands, so we've not had much of a crowd here really. The one in Scarborough we had yesterday, really nice crowd on the beach, but we've been blessed with 2 good days of weather. Joe's had to actually got a wheel in the end from Halfords. He managed to ride 2 shows with it. Got a puncture as well. £33. He's going to return that afterwards, so he gets his money back. Yeah, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe. Peace.
Is there any problems? Any bottles? Any models? But like to swallow. Like gobble, gobble. Talking gobble, gobble. Keep extending clips. And they fill with hollows.
22 hoes on me. 22 clothes on me.